Guys, Mem from Cars 360 and Barry at BP Repairs here. We've got a Vauxhall Corsa in today that we're getting ready to sell, and it's got the dreaded tapping noise. Could be the hydraulic tappets, could be poor servicing. We have checked the oil filter. I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you.
Check the oil pressure. We've
checked the oil filter. Oil filter was good. We replaced it anyway before going any further. We've checked the oil pressure on a manual pressure gauge to see if the oil pump is faulty. Digging a little deeper, Barry has identified the problem. Barry, I'll let you explain.
This is the feed for the oil. It drives the camshafts and also oil pressure into the hydraulic tappets. When this becomes loose, you lose the oil pressure.
And it literally just comes out of the bottom edge and drops back down into the head rather than coming up through, feeding the chain and coming back through the cams. So I'd love to say this was the first one that Barry had discovered. However, on a Vauxhall Meriva quite recently, Barry found the same issue. So we're pretty confident that this is going to cure the dreaded tappet noise. Stay tuned, we're just going to put it all back together and then start the car up and have a listen. Right, car's all back together now thanks to Barry. Barry's going to go ahead and start it now. So let me just... Okay, car's going to start up now. There you go. Now this, as you can hear, there's no rattle. Now this engine in the 1.2 variant, the 1.4 variant, the 1.4 turbo variant all do the same thing. So make sure you check the guide first. Thank you.